Good afternoon, students. Today in SST we will go through the post periodic chapter. New chapter it is 12th chapter, that is natural disasters. So we will go through it. What is natural disaster, students? Nature is very powerful. It provides us with everything. Nature has given us everything. But sometimes calamities are caused by nature. Sometimes destructions and all negative things are caused by nature. Such calamities are called natural disasters. That it happens on its own only. Earthquakes, tsunamis, floods, droughts, landslides, volcanic eruptions, cyclones, etc. All these are natural disasters. It is created by nature. So they cause damage to life and property. Although we cannot prevent them, yet our preparedness can save us from their disastrous impact. We cannot prevent these natural disasters, but we should have some precautions. We should prepare ourselves to save us from this disastrous impact. So all these are the natural disasters. So today we will discuss only about earthquake. Our earth's crust is based on tectonic plates. We all know that under the earth it is the tectonic plates over there based. So these plates are in constant motions as they are on the earth's mantle, which is made of molten rocks. So what happens, these plates are constantly on motions, they are shaking. So whenever these plates collide with each other, when they collide means when they dash with each other, so what happens, major or minor earthquakes occur. What happens, sometimes major very big earthquakes and sometimes very small earthquakes occur. Earthquakes are a regular activity. It is a regular activity, means it occurs now and then, but most of the time the earthquakes are so minor that they are not felt by us. But most of the time what happens, the earthquake is very minor, बहुत हल्का सा झटका लगता है, that we don't understand. However, when the collisions are of greater intensity, when the shaking is of greater intensity, earthquakes are felt strongly. The point where the earthquake starts is called the focus. Now from the point where the earthquake starts under the earth, it is the focus, and the point on land directly above the focus is called the epicenter. So from the underneath the earth it is focus, and when it goes up it is called the epicenter. The earthquakes are most intense at the epicenter. So it is very much intense, means it is very much on great activity is there, intensity is there near the epicenter. High magnitude or high intensity earthquake can turn huge buildings into rubbles in a few seconds. If there is a shaking of the earth in a high magnitude intensity, so what will happen, huge buildings also come down. The earthquake in Nepal in 2015 caused untold misery to people. So seismograph is used for measuring and recording an earthquake. Scientists use the Richter scale. There is a Richter scale for measuring the intensity of an earthquake, means how intense the earthquake is. It is. So students, the earthquakes are natural disaster and we cannot control over it, and we cannot stop it also. So what is the precautions we can take? So run out of the building immediately when if there is an earthquake. So we should run out of the building where we are staying and stand away from building, lamppost, etc. During an earthquake, one should not stand near the outer walls or windows. We should not take support of anything. If it is not possible to get out of the building, one must take cover under heavy furniture. So we should lie under the furniture. There can be equally devastating aftershocks also. Means after the earthquakes there are aftershocks. So one should not enter the building immediately after an earthquake. Regular drills to make people aware of the do's and don'ts during an earthquake must be carried out in schools and offices. Means we have to do the mock drillings, the way we have to show that how you can save yourself. So that should be done in the school also and offices also to make the people aware of the earthquakes. So these are the precautions. Okay, you will be doing the spot check, that is the unscrambled word, you have to scramble it and make it the words, that is floods, cyclones, earthquakes and drought. This you have to do, and in homework you have to draw any two natural disasters, any two, be it can be drought also, flood also. You can if in this it is hard, you can from the net also you can find it out easy way of drawing. So two natural disaster you have to make. I will give it in the